In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the height of a page, whether it has a footer or not. Let's dive into it and make these adjustments as seamless as possible. First, let's tackle the scenario where your page has a footer. Start by locating your footer at the bottom of the page. It's usually the section reserved for notes, page numbers, or other supplementary information. Once you've found it, click directly on the footer to activate it. You'll notice that once the footer is active, various handles appear around the page layout, with one of them being the Adjust Page Height handle. This handle is a useful tool, giving you straightforward control over the space allocated between the footer and the rest of your page content. Now, click and hold this handle, and then drag it to modify the height of your page until you reach your desired position. This method is precise and gives you a clear visual indication of how your adjustments affect the overall page layout. For those who are working with a page without a footer, you'll follow a slightly different but equally simple process. Begin by clicking anywhere on your page to ensure it is selected. Once your page is active, find your Adjust Page Height handle, which is located at the bottom edge of your page. This handle allows you to redefine the total height of the page based on your needs. Click on this handle, hold down your mouse button, and drag it up or down. As you drag the handle, observe how the page layout adapts in real time, letting you decide exactly how much space you want for your content. Releasing the mouse button will set the height to your desired position, making this process not only effective, but instant. A few additional tips to streamline your experience. Pay close attention to how the content on your page wraps or adjusts as you change the height, since this can influence readability. It's also useful to periodically preview or print your document to ensure your adjustments appear as intended in different formats or devices. This process is ideal when you need to customize documents for specific requirements, whether it's a report with specific margin requirements or a creative project that demands a unique layout. Thanks to these intuitive manual controls, you can precisely tailor your documents, ensuring they meet all your formatting needs. Hopefully, this guide helps you feel more confident in making these adjustments, preparing you for a range of document design tasks ahead. With practice, these steps will become second nature, allowing you to efficiently manage your document layouts with minimal effort. Happy formatting!